This is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about the fetch options in the cursor. Like we have two options in the fetch to fetch the data in the cursor, that is forward only and the scroll options. In this about this forward only fetch option in the cursor I have explained in the previous video. In this video I am going to explain you about the scroll option. Like in this scroll option, fetch options, it provides 6 options to fetch the data, that is like first, last, prior, next, relative and absolute. So in this example, with the example I am going to explain about all these 6 fetch options here with the example. See, here we have declared a variables, and here I have declared a cursor with the employee cursor, which is a local scope of this particular cursor is local, and it is we have fetch options like scroll here, scroll from select star from employee, open employee cursor, next, like fetch next from the, it goes on to the next row. So this is how see this cursor, this is cursor, employee cursor into employee ID. All this data from this selects whatever we got from that particular one, it is inserted into this cursor variables, and then I have print employee ID with this data. So if like first, if you see it concatenated all the data and the data is printed. See, from the fetch next, like it will give the first row. So this is the first row which will get that particular cursor, and the next thing is relative, like relative 3 from the employee cursor means employee cursor is in the first position, and then 1 2 3 relative the third position is the what we are going to get, like relatively the third position, like relative 3 means we'll fetching the data from that particular. See, if we see, if I execute this one, the third one, like from the first, the third row is the cursor is in first row, so that the third row will be the fourth one. So fourth row, we got the fourth row. So and the thing is absolute, like absolute 3 means what, the third row. See, if we see, and I am printing absolute value means, see, if I give absolute value 3 means third row, whatever is the third row where it is there, it will be coming. See, here we will get this employee ID with the 3. So the third row is absolute value of that particular row we will be getting, and this first one, and the next thing is first option. So fetch first means, if I execute this, cursor problem. So we will get like the first one. So the first means, fetch first means it will go give us the first row, and the next one is last row, so we'll get that the last row. If I execute this, we will get the last row, that is employee ID with the 10 is the last row in this table, and the next one is from the last, we will get again the prior. Prior means, what does it do? Prior means on the previous row, like whatever the previous row of that where the cursor is now, the cursor is on 10th row, so the previous one is previous one is the 9th row, we will be getting the 9th row. See, this is the 9th row we will be getting. This is how these are all the fetch options, like whatever we can get from wherever, from first, last, middle, absolute, relative. So this is and the fetch next. So relative next means what we will get, the next row of the where the cursor is in ninth row now. So after 9 we will get again the 10th row. See, here we will be getting again the 10th row. This is how this all the data fetching options, like wherever we want we will be getting that particular. Then we can close the employee, like we can close the cursor and deallocate the cursor. This in this video, like I have explained about, these are the some of the 6 what we can say 6 scroll options that are available in the cursor to fetch the data, like that is from next, prior, relative, absolute value. So these are the some of the fetch options. Like next means we'll get the next row, prior means we'll get the previous one, and the last one is the last row we'll be getting. Relative means relatively with that position will that rows we'll be getting. Absolute means other particular value which we have specified that number, that accordingly we will be getting. So these are the some of the like these are the fetch options in the in the scroll fetch option. So this is about the data fetching, how to fetch the data in the cursor, like forward only and scroll options. In this video I have covered only the scroll fetch option. In the previous video I have covered about this forward fetch option also. So these are the so in this video this is how I explained with a simple example. Thank you for listening.